Hi guys, I'm going to read the grade 4 reading comprehension for today. It's called Who Invented That? Right here at the top. Mesopotamia is called the cradle of civilization because it was the first place where people came together to live in one place. First, there were small villages and towns. Some towns became large cities as the population grew, and governments were formed to take care of the people. There were many things that helped Mesopotamia grow. Many of these inventions are as important today as they were then. The wheel. Scientists do not know who invented the first wheel. Many say the people of Mesopotamia did. Many agree that Mesopotamians were the first people to use the wheel for everyday things. They used the potter's wheel to make pots, and they used carts with wheels to move goods from place to place. Carts helped towns and cities trade with other places. Trade meant they could sell things they did not need and buy from other people things they did need. And we have a little map here. It says Mesopotamia was in present-day Iraq between two rivers, the Tigris and the Euphrates. Forgive me if I said that wrong. The next part here is irrigation. Farmers in Mesopotamia needed lots of water from the rivers to grow crops. Carrying water by hand or in carts was hard work. It took a lot of time. Mesopotamians invented irrigation so they could have bigger farms and would not have to work so hard. They dug canals that would bring water from the rivers to their farms. The cedar plow. Farmers needed to plow the fields before they could plant seeds. They had to go back in to put seeds in the ground. The Mesopotamians invented the cedar plow. In the cedar plow, there was a funnel with seeds behind the plow. As the plow dug up the soil, the seeds were dropped into the soil right away. This meant that farmers could plant more crops in a shorter time. People from Mesopotamia also invented the first writing system, the first sailboat, and the first 12-month calendar. They were a remarkable civilization. So the questions that it's asking, again titled Who Invented That? We're going to think about it now. Why is Mesopotamia called the cradle of civilization? Why would it be called the cradle of civilization? Again, you're going to go back to the text to look for evidence of why it would be called the cradle of civilization. Number 2, did trade help the people of Mesopotamia? You're going to explain why or how it did. Number 3, what do you think the word remarkable means and why? Number 4, what happened when the Mesopotamians invented irrigation? Number 5, what problem did the invention of the cedar plow solve? And number 6, what is the purpose of this text? Why do you think the author wrote it? So you're going to go into our Google Slides and you're going to fill in all those questions. Again, please refer back to this video if you want me to read it. All right, bye guys.